is Swati Nikam. Welcome you all in the YouTube channel BCA eSchool. Today we are going to learn the next part of the chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables. Let's see. Today we are going to solve Practice Set 1.1 question number 2, example number 6. Here you can see two linear equations in two variables. First is 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 10 by 3 and second equation is 2x plus 1 by 4y is equal to 11 by 4. If you will keenly observe these equations, here you can find the coefficient of x is 1 by 3 and the constant is 10 by 3. Means to make this equation more simple, you can multiply this equation by 3. Means both sides you can multiply by 3. Therefore, for first equation, multiply by 3 and for second equation, you can observe that coefficient of y is 1 by 4 and the right hand side constant is 11 by 4. So here if you will multiply both sides by 4, then you will get more simple equation. Okay, so multiply both sides by 4. So this equation will become 4 into 2x plus 1 by 4y is equal to 11 by 4. The first equation will become, means this bracket you have to multiply each term by 3. So 3 into 1 by 3x means what? 3 and 3. This will get cancelled. So only 1x. That means you can write x. Then 3 into y, that is 3y is equal to, here 3 will get cancelled, is equal to 10. And here 4 2s are 8. 4 into 2x, that is 8x plus 4 into 1 by 4 y. Here 4, this 4 will get cancelled. Simply it will be there 1y is equal to, here into 4. 4 will get cancelled. So here you can find two simple linear equations. Okay, so previously these equations were 1 by 3 x plus y is equal to 10 by 3, that we have converted into this one. We can say this as equation number 1, and the previous one, equation second, was 2x plus 1 by 4y is equal to 11 by 4, and that we have converted as 8x plus 1y is equal to 11. So that we will consider as equation second. Okay. Now these two equations we need to solve simultaneously by making coefficients of one of the variable same. So if we will observe these two equations, so it is convenient to make the coefficients of y same. So here x plus 3y is equal to 10. In first equation coefficient of y is 3 and in second equation coefficient of y is 1. So we need to multiply equation second by 3. So we will write by equation 1, and as they have same sign, they possess same sign, positive, and to cancel them we need opposite sign. So we will have it their subtraction. So how that will become? Equation 1 minus equation 2 into 3. Okay, so equation 1 we will write as it is. So x plus 3y is equal to 10, and then equation 2 we will write by multiplying each term by 3. So 8 into 3, 8x into 3, that is 24x plus 1y into 3, that is 3y is equal to 11 into 3, that is 33. But we have to subtract them. So subtraction changes the signs. So here as per our wish, plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled. Then x minus 24y will give you minus 23x is equal to 10 minus 33 will give you again minus 23. So you will get minus 23x is equal to minus 23. That means x is equal to 1. So here the value of our first variable we have got. Now to get the value of another variable y, we need to substitute this value of x in any one of the equation, either in equation 1 or in equation 2. So here I will choose equation first. So put x equal to 1 in equation first. So first of all write down equation 1. Wherever x is there you have to put its value as x equals to 1. So now 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. That means 3y is equal to 10 minus 1. So you will get 3y is equal to 9. 10 minus 1, it is 9. So by dividing 9 with 3, you will get 3. So here you can get your second variable y as 3. So here your solution is ready. X equal to 1 and y equal to 3, which you need to write in the form of ordered pair. So how you will write? Therefore, x comma y is equal to 1 comma 3 is required solution. Okay? Okay. Now we are going to solve example number 7. Here two linear equations are given. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. And second is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. So here these two equations, if you will observe properly, you will understand that coefficient of x in the first equation is 99, whereas coefficient of y in second equation is same 99, and coefficient of y is 101 and coefficient of x is 101. Means what? Here the coefficients of x and y are interchanged. So here we will solve specially in case of such kind of example or such kind of linear equations where the coefficients of x and y are interchanged. So what is that? Suppose this is equation first and this is equation second. So once we need to add these equations to get another linear equation, and secondly we need to subtract these two equations. Means from these two equations first we need to add and secondly we need to subtract to get another two linear equations. Okay, so let's have their addition. So here equation 1 plus equation 2. So what you will get? 99x plus 101y is equal to 499 and 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. We need to add them. So because of this addition, no sign is going to change. So all signs are going to remain same. So 99x plus 101x, similar terms are there. Add them. So it gives you 200x plus 101y plus 99y, 200y is equal to 499 plus 501 gives you 1000. So after simplification, you will if you will take 200 common, then in bracket it remains x plus y is equal to 1000. Now this 200, if we will divide this 1000, then you will get a simple linear equation that x plus y is equal to 5. Let us consider that equation as equation number 3. Then in the next part, we will have the subtraction of equation 1 and equation 2. So 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. And second equation, 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Now subtraction. It changes the sign of every term. So here plus 501 become minus 501. So 99x minus 101x gives you minus 2x. 101y minus 99y gives you plus 2y is equal to 499 minus 501 gives you minus 2. So after simplification, you can get minus 2 common, and in bracket x minus y is equal to minus 2. If we divide minus 2 by this minus 2, you will get 1, and you will get another equation number 4. Now we have to solve equation number 3 and equation number 4 simultaneously. So here, if you will observe these equations, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1, we can directly add these equations to get the values of x and y. So here, by equation 3 plus equation 4. So equation 3 is x plus y is equal to 5. Equation 4 is x minus y is equal to 1. We will have its addition. It will not change the signs of other terms. So x plus x, 2x plus y minus y will get cancelled, is equal to 5 plus 1, it is 6. Means what? 2x is equal to 6. That means x is equal to 3. So here the first variable's value we have got. Now after substitution of x, you can get the value of y. So put x equal to 3 in equation 3. What is equation 3? It is x plus y is equal to 5. So wherever x is there, put x equal to 3. So y is equal to 2. Therefore, the solution is understood?